bibia bokode
Bonibia eni akwem
ne edi kan ye no krese wo na wo kase wa ye hwehwemu wa investigation hu se wo ko osu children's home ankwala ni bi wo hono a ye twetwa atwamuti de yankomade no krese
ne edi kan se mechia wo tiefo nya na ya momu na so ajo se edi kan na si nya ba custom kakra nipa one me ka be ho eni mi duma potina media
all right
kwekwana ye investigative journalist na me host program Hot FM wa Accra program ni de Ghana Masino GMK and say if you mo duma na undercover investigative journalist ya divia ya kwadal mu ye papa so na apparently no ye koso your network no so ye investigation ya and say ye sha se be say bosomede and what ni that investigation in the title I kutayeno ya tumi jeans the dark side enemies of the state and even thing ya two jeans investigation we one mo two ni ya na mo a ye tu ne ye hwehwe adibia obro ne be kan say a phenomenon in the very sense of say Oba Accra being the capital of the Republic of Ghana Adeba could be a new papa power, Sanka, and South System. Akoye and Simpia, who share all the regional capitals, I won't tell who's Adiano. Name woman Kahadi, so what for outside, now be developed, so we see Daniel, so bad. As I said, was Boka, now sign Ecofa, and the Pocubio Matum who did land guard. Now, Oberon Umbo at us by at the mouth. The way that you did bring here, say, yes, you shouldn't use land gas is the way in the bank. Why may you swim? Anything Tiamo to Sanamon, Ewan Clamema. The idea, and the idea copy Muse. If you power one more share land gas, you know. The question may not just a bro, you cry, anticipate land gas, we are 7 ingredients, and never be up. One more way on their reference, no, we won't be not knowing nothing. Nipa social land gas yechi eye ahemfo the kukuda politicians are one more ewo amanyo kuomu any security officials security officials are not just the normal security officials name the top security chiefs and businessmen and just lawyers judges and just social land gas yechi akoye bibi to say syndicate
me bow woman sa woman who can politicians ne lawyers judges ne security officers no one crime pay
yes who more the investigations need be mu say and crime and not just who do more question about papa as to so my extended call other regions and yen but essentially who should greater Accra in Tanzania who greater Accra na ba kukwe niwa who could just say who be the land gas for Emma Metretino. 1 year like a quay bikumo. Investigation is it could be to say that land gas is a lot of sophisticated weapons. Investigation in the next 4 to 5 years or maybe less than the crew in Ghana and share their experience rebels, you know, who other African countries, you know. They don't just come just because almost sorry I know he been a precipitate rebels war. Investigation last one to the Akuapem say I have fully be any politicians rebels you know other African countries no they don't just come just because almost sorry I know he been a precipitate rebels war. Investigation last one to the Akuapem say I have fully be any politicians in the office, this is when you are near. Then, unknown locations. That is where the executioners. Essentially, the investigations with it, for rituals and other sacrifices. As far as land gas, any of politicians here concerned. One reason for using Star Orphanage in Kubolor, I know another story ever. The dear politicians, I inform any land dance of one say Mom, we are starting you was starting now on more. As we go along with our investigations, and I say, yeah, my story, you know, radio station as well. To be TV.
Justice, who say asama wuke no, yebeka say borders on national security, nothing so no. Say na who can say manyofo ibini osuchi deso mpenifo ayabako a bomode nkwala ne mo mukoku mo no. Ebema about 10 years mahye o mane so kwaso fear and panic. Enti asama wuka we no. Ubetumi agina so akasa an madanse ni say mahu se mofra baby a mienu miensanie date se yakwaje wa mo se yedom kwa ha sei ya hwomu bio na yedi akini hu se yakuom ana se nyina so bempa na wonti ade ka asem wi
God nyina so ayewo ma yedi bi sa investigations ma call it attention. And again, let me emphasize the point is that the security for Nankasa attention has been drawn to this investigation.
No, security
I am talking about the national security itself. They listen to the program. They are picking all the intelligence. And they are one. Number 3, there were one of the executioners. And make executioners, I guess, will be in America.
Yeah, just
one year corporate, and I say you hire one. Not one of Kofa Sound College, Edward Mukosa on non locations requires an MOE on tape. We reveal the identity of Nipa Esma Kwayo Mofaso Moko. Yebeka is in intelligence, the modus operandi. Our Kofa Sound Colano, and the Kwayo Mofaso Moko, Yonina all covered live on tape. A dini na so hono. Enti enye bibia ye boy slim na yeka and I say diagro. No. It's a very sensitive issue and indeed a national security issue. As I speak to you, the security officials and and we believe that by the time the big investigations dropping up, this matter it will be put into its proper logical conclusion.
Yeah, in one breath, and say, now come baby said when you on Nabo Kandapa, Eddie Sassim Komo, and no Moody Kosi saying.
Yes, many the national security chief, Ora Kandapa, Yedi Komo, and Koma Yedi and on so far, and you may be one. Openi be another top politician be Apo Ora Kandapa, the Eddie reference to part of the investigation. FSR. Top politician. Now, you did it an exam, no, or no, China, I ban a sample of Fred and a Kandapa, Emano, security arrangement, and so forth. So, in order for us to get it right, as to whether or not, Ora Kandapa, on any Kasa, and our one and Ankasa, let's see a touchy base with Kandapa, and a Kandapa confirms yes, on its panel, a Kasa, name on here security arrangement to be unfair manner. So then we get our answers right on the spot as we spoke to Kandapa. And details of Niene Kandapa Kasano, Ninano will be revealed in our subsequent investigations.
You now one I say your investigation findings and be taking up so any Bobo Mudi a movie to say Ira Kandapa or Kanasimi. And your investigation say ye no a bet me a hoodie.
Oh, it was a bit holding for me. The bottom line is, as you and I know, sir, the media is the fourth estate of the realm. And of course, we cannot be ignored as a significant political actors. And a real American do show us, sir. We honor any courthouses, neither a adjudication. No. Our essential rule is that you better broadcast your findings. So we are, the appropriate authorities will take it up. For example, maybe quickly, my mentor will inform. And I'm sure they are Eastern region, most of my swati say, or may do Makubia from Public Utility Regulatory Commission. And so, some of the PA now, a Bayer Huyana, your platform is one a PA. And the documents are intercepted, I do money now, Korea to say. Opinion, I know what that PURC, I know, on the communication director, and I add down to an somewhat support. Womu afa kwa ibisu mesikidia for mansase and the young read documents no revealing revelations in area no that be an I sponsor pick up be an I pick up womu notify us womu investigate. So what we did in intelligence and we call it stand down platform, no, we have to stand down and allow BNI to finish their investigation.
Yo.
One more copy at the common mantini. And the Friday year came one on mantini at the depuis through the release woman unity. And the ability, we also expect appropriate authorities to carry it from there.
And Tisa find this way, concerning Usu children's home Kualaya, Yedomo, Yankama, then a bribang, and your concluding investigations now you presented to the appropriate authorities.
Yes. As far as the platform is concerned, and the series, and then they part 2 by part 3, but you because this is me and me who to show you. Me need that investigations will be. I may not be able to be emphatic to say it's a 1 week or 2 weeks, meaning because it's a Dawson. Revelations not Dawson. You're 2 year boss near Yen and Kakakra. We help the listener to understand where we are coming from. And again, the investigation in blocks and in divisions.
All right.
If we have your quantity, and I believe we'll get to the destination.
You just as you're not saying, Nebra, when you're married.
Na mamen kanche say enipa wonu mu di akotene e wo some investigations we mu during our findings mpinifo a we mo hyehyɛ in the political class, politicians, judgefo, a lawyer fo ekukudam, top security officials, right? Eno mo hyehyɛ politicians, judges, lawyers, security operatives and echelons, top brass of the security officials wo mu hyehyem and as investigations capture them ahimfo wonu mu di akotene e won kran asase so wo mu di akotene papa ya ahimfo bebre watete wo mu din wo mu hyehyem sa investigations we mu Hot FM 93.9 na enko wiem ni se e die ben wonu mu ye wonu ma kabom officials in the political class, judiciary, lawyers, security operatives, akabom ne ahemfo. Ede ben wonu mo ye. Wonu mo kofa nkwala efi Osu children's home. No mo do makọ unknown place ekotwitwa omuti for rituals.
The station that rocks the city all day. Hot 93.9.
Yakofa sankola wenum Osu children's home. I am saying this with the greatest that my heart bleeds. I wish say I will not be the first person to open this investigation because I've done my own sorrowful kind of tears on this already. So maybe I trust in me be some investigations where no, it disturbs me a lot. And kola wonu go Osu children's home. Sebin prediasa. Wonu ni papa, wonu ni mame. Ne yede wo makogu say aban enhwe wom. Aban entwaduane ma wom, aban emwom ho ban, aban enkipi san kola we ni mu. Safekeeping or whatever you may call them. Na top officials within the political class, the heads of security operatives, judges, lawyers, ahimfo, wonomoti sa capital hanam, akam wabom, and omuni land guards for land guards. And nam say, and sa see a wonomutunton, edie rough inti. E birimu pese omutumi bini wom ho, such that obi ntimi ntache wom spiritually or physically untimi ntache wom. Yes, na eya na yaka bibi se bebi a emoja ehwiegu no yankomade e wo ho ya ye yankomade wo ho. Hot FM 93.9 nanu bi na meti efidie so na me ka kire nipa bi se hwe men underestimate the kind of bloodshed a ekoso wo memu awo. Do not underestimate them, especially those in authority. Ye di tumi ahye wo monsa se mo ye ho ban na atrenchema hodo bebre tumi sisi wo Ghana ha na sa ni company fu se ye ntumi mo ho ban. For example, say yemfa gas explosions in your example. It's been how many years? And what is say gas explosions? 8 of them maku watch within 3 years. na mpenimfo na wodi tumi ahye omo nsan so mu ntimi mo ho ban enhwe ma ye ntimi nso ano bibi nkasa nkyerɛ so no some mpenimfo nyara against the fact say at renchem wey na ACC no there is a reason for it obi ka kyerɛ me say okweku ma disappointed pass wo ka kasa ansem yo na me ka kyerɛ say hu ni nya wo ka se wo ni nya minu a enche be show so be jai wadwuma ewie bia 1 o'clock na wa betra na oni me aye show no wate se wo ni boni am penifo ti me no ha boni a nipa edi wo man kitikiti Ghana mu a enche wo sori a wo de nse be simienu say no wa ya sori sa na pakosi anadwo de bia ma sori kan say the night is busier than the day enso sa time no yesi nipa nkoda o nipa na anadwo no ese ye kokoda no nipa aye busy ye na Hot FM 93.9 ye bohoma natete GMK Investigations is revealing ye twan kwala we ni muti en kwala wonim go osu children's home ye yakose sawom na pretext of say ye do mo kwade ye do mo koma enipa bi wo mahwe mo asede ben de ben yo the syndicate within the children's home kwase sankwala we nom na mo do makoma politicians whatever ne akoye omden etwetwa omuti na wo ran ho ma no wo ran ho ma wom Abayiwa 3 years, 4 years. I can assume that this girl is like my daughter. I can assume that this boy is like my son. Obetimi aya obao. Ebi ana woni abayiwa bi kokoda ebi a wan ya bofra no. Ai wo ye ne dina kokoto no. Aban na ehwe no. Da chi se bia wo me nipa no ma behwe o me. Na wo hwe so asa amofrei